Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to install TestNG in Eclipse. So if you don't see that option TestNG test in your Eclipse, that means your TestNG is not installed properly. So the question is how to resolve it. I will show you how to resolve the issue. So let's get started. First thing first, I will go to Google Chrome and search for test ng. And if you see the URL that testng.org, just click on it and then go to download, scroll down. If you see that option link the testng or slash testng hyphen eclipse hyphen update hyphen site, just click on that and then copy the URL from here and then go back to your Eclipse, go to help, go to install new software, go click on add and write something like test ng. Just write something and paste the URL here and then click on add. So I'm not gonna do it as I already installed that in my Eclipse. So if you just follow the step and click on add, and then it will navigate you in this interface one more time. So go this drop down, select your test ng. Like this is my test ng file right here. So that's my URL. If you can compare that, it's exactly same as here. So you will see something like this. So just type test ng. It should in my system it's not displaying, so it will displaying all of the test engine that installed. So just click on this, so all of them will be in my system is showing that all items are installed. So you will see the list of that. Just click select that one, so all will be selected, then click on next. So just click on next, then accept it and then click on finish. It might take couple of minutes or to 5 minutes, depends on your internet speed. So once you install it properly, just go back here. Let's create a new class. Let me create a maybe for for time being. Let me create a Java class. So I can for time being I'm going to create a class. So let me name it test ng demo. So as I'm going to use test engine, so I'm not going to select any of these. Just click on finish. So let me create a method called demo, and then write something that sys out. I'm displaying test ng install properly. That's the message I'm going to display. So if in your case it might ask you to restart the Eclipse to update to implement the updates. So make sure you do it and then just iterate, just write test. So just put your cursor on test it will show you input test ng annotation, or in your case it might ask you, it will definitely ask you add. If you see that it's showing add JUnit, but in your case I believe right below the JUnit it will ask you add TestNG library. So just click on that and add all your TestNG in your Eclipse, and then click on input. So it has been inputted in your class. So now, okay, let me show you one thing before I do it. So if I click on that, if I go to run as, it's not showing me anything. So if I input test ng, and if you go to run as, so if you, I think you are able to see that. Let me go one more time. You can see test ng test. Just click on that and it will run your project. So we had one method is passed, one test got passed. So if you click on console, so you can see the output that, so testng, so the message displaying test engine installed properly. Pass.com is the project name and package name, and you see default test run. We run one test, nothing failed, nothing skipped. So our test successfully passed. So that's all for the video. I hope this you will find helpful information from this video.